guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a really quick get ready with me. I know I've been doing those lately. Wait, my hair looks interesting. I am doing a really fast get ready with me. I have to be somewhere in an hour, so I'm just pushing my bangs back, as you can see, and let's just get started. We are going to jump right in. I do have to do a little bit of glam, so this is going to be more of a full coverage situation, but I mean, if you don't want to do full coverage, you really don't have to. Just like take your makeup out with me. Just, you know, pick a snack that you want to eat along with me and just keep on watching. That I'm almost out of this. I've been using it. This is the Garnier Moisture Rescue. This is the refreshing gel cream. It's the green one for combo skin, and I have been loving it. It is like such a good moisturizer. It's like $8.99, I believe. If I butchered that, it's okay because I'm going to put the price on the screen, but I believe it's $8.99. It's a really nice gel cream. It feels like water on the face, but it also just does such a great job of hydrating. And because it's so cold out right now, I really need some moisture. So I tend to stick with like gel creams and stuff like that just to give me moisture but not make me oily. And yeah, loving this. Alright, so the next product that I'm going to take is some primer. I'm going to use the Professional from Benefit, and I'm just using this one because I need a little bit more of a matte blurred canvas, so I'm going to use this one. I like this one better than the original Professional because it's a gel formula, so it goes on like hydrating, that it dries down to a matte finish. It's not like a straight silicone feel or like a putty feel. It just feels like moisturizer almost, and I love that. And the way that my skin is feeling right now, just need a little bit of extra moisture. That's why it's called the Moisture Rescue. It's so good. All right. Now, I promise I'm going to stop using the same stuff, but this is the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. If you've never seen me use this before, you're probably new to my channel, and I will direct you to my last video where I put this up and used it. I've been using this since the summer in July. No, before July, actually, like June. And it is honestly my new favorite foundation. I'll tell you why. Because it is full coverage, right? But it also still has that natural finish, and it's like more of a buildable coverage. So like you can make it. I will, like, sometimes I don't like a lot of coverage, so I will put it on, and actually, I don't know why I said sometimes. A lot of the times I don't like a lot of coverage, and so I will just do what I'm doing now, where I smear it on like this, because I just want it to be like a nice even canvas, but I don't want to have that look of the full coverage, and that's why I like this, because it gives you such a beautiful coverage, but it doesn't look like you're wearing a whole bunch. And I also like that this is like transfer proof. It is sweat proof. It is all the proofs. It is so good. It is my new favorite and I'm loving it so much. So yeah, that is why I love this Cover FX Power Play foundation. And I'm just blending this out until, you know, the cows come home, and I don't know why I choose to do that. So now I'm going to do my bronzer and all that. I'm gonna take these two shades right here, Neo and Toby, and I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones as a blush. I feel like I look like a clown, but it's okay because this is gonna fade anyway. I'm gonna take a darker brown eyeshadow and just use this as my contour. Just making sure the jawline is set. And now I'm going to use my Tarte Stay Spray highlight. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome. It's so pretty. Just tap into there. And I'm just gonna tap it off because it is kind of like it's a good highlight, but also you can go a little ham with this. Ooh, baby. Look at that. This is no highlight. Highlight. I'm also going to put some on my nose. I love nose highlight. Love nose highlight. I feel like it just looks so good. It makes my nose look like, you know, like it just draws you into the button of my nose, which makes my nose look smaller. That's a hack for anyone that has, because I feel like my nose is like kind of big, but you know, everybody has their own insecurities. I like to highlight certain parts of my nose to make it look slimmer. So I will highlight like the bridge because it attracts you to the bridge and not this outside part. So then my nose looks smaller. Hack. And we are highlighted, honey. Highlighted, honey. Cutie. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.